Try out the Netflix certified Panasonic S1H for only $99? Yes, please. I recently found out about this crazy deal that you should know about. The Panasonic S1H has become a hit in the video space, quickly becoming a favorite among videographers and filmmakers. It's a little out of the price range for many just starting out, or is it? Yes, the body alone is about $4,000, but Panasonic kicked off a new creator rental program in the US where you can get your hands on one for a whole week for only $99. But before I get into it, remember, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom in Miami, and don't forget, we publish new content weekly, so subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. The Panasonic S1H is currently the only hybrid stills camera approved by Netflix, and this new creator rental program is a killer way to try out this Panasonic beast at an affordable price and for a whole week. Now, this program is 50% off from the regular prices. If your pre-production skills are on point, you can probably knock out all the footage you need for your project or film with an extremely low budget. Now, that being said, the $99 per week is only for the body. If you already own L-mount lenses or an adapter, you're golden. But if you don't, then plan your budget accordingly. The S1H is geared towards filmmakers, videographers, and vloggers looking to get serious quality production, as it can output 4K at 30 frames per second using the whole width of the sensor, 5.9K at 24 frames per second, and anamorphic 6K at 24 frames per second. This camera also really excels in low light performance with its dual ISO system, being able to get good quality video up to 25,600 ISO. Its larger sensor also allows for great bokeh and shallower depth of field than many of Panasonic's high-end video cameras like the VariCam LT, which is $10,000. Now, I can go on and on all about the powerful specs packed into this camera, but there are many review videos where you can see the performance yourself. I just wanted to get you the info about the great offer by Panasonic since it's such a great opportunity. Just keep in mind, this Panasonic program is for a limited time and only available at participating dealers, and many have been booked with requests, so make sure to check out our link in the description below to see if you have one available nearby. While you're at it, make sure to check out the link in the description to some of our favorite camera gear on Amazon. What are your thoughts on the Panasonic S1H and rental program offer? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. If you're in Miami, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.